What makes this gold worth more than a car?
This is the hidden value. Tiny pieces, massive cost.
How hot does it get before the metal truly behaves?
Same metal. Why does one tray scream luxury?
One grain of dust can ruin everything. See it?
This machine looks calm, but it's pure controlled violence.
These cases start far away. Can you guess where? Looks good? Yeah, tilt it back and take it up.
Would you trust one strap with millions?
Seals are good?
Confirmed.
Confirmed.
What happens the second this gold crosses the threshold?
Ready to see the metal transformed, step by step?
What's the first wash step that prevents microscopic scratches?
Hear that hum. Can you imagine what it shakes loose?
Go ahead and open the return line slowly. Opening it now. If the filter misses one speck, what fails later? $45, $50, $55, $60, $65, $70, $75, $80.
How do you dry gold without leaving a single watermark? What's the first wash step that prevents microscopic scratches? Hear that hum. Can you imagine what it shakes loose? Line is secure, ready for the next step.
Acknowledged. Proceed.
If the filter misses one speck, what fails later?
$35, $36, $37, $38, $39, $40, $41, $42.
How do you dry gold without leaving a single watermark? Lower away. Slow air, too close up. Slow, slow. Okay, hold it right there.
What keeps oxygen out while this metal hits peak heat?
How do they verify purity without wasting any gold?
When do they? If pressure drifts, what defects show up in the final case?
Tension looks good on this side.
Readings match the specs. Keep the feed rate steady.
How do they stamp perfect blanks without wasting a milligram?
Blanks are loaded. Starting the cycle now.
What's the secret to that mirror finish without rounding edges?
It's about maintaining constant pressure and the correct angle against the wheel.
Yeah.
Gauge checks out. Confirmed. Moving to the next unit. If this fails by microns, do they scrap it or rework it? Ready for the final storage and reveal? What's the last security check?
Trolley is docked. Confirming position.
Position confirmed. Procedure complete.
What's the last audit step before this leaves the building?
Cement lasket pipe together.
System confirmation engaged. Procedure confirmed.
Lowering the load now.
Path is clear, coming down smoothly.
How do they ship this without anyone knowing what's inside?
Lift it up slow. All right, keep coming straight back. Easy now, slow it down. All right, hold it right there.
After all this security, what's the final touch that proves quality?
Now you've seen it. Would you wear $75,000 daily?